Hello everyone, in this video I will show you where to find the zip code or postal code connected to your debit card. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. When making purchases online, many websites ask for the billing zip code or postal code connected to your debit card. This is used to verify your payment information and confirm that the card belongs to you. A lot of people think the zip code is printed somewhere on the debit card itself, but that is usually not the case. In most situations, the zip code or postal code connected to your debit card is the same zip code linked to your bank account billing address. This is often your home address, but for some people it may be a business address or another mailing address where bank statements are sent. If you do not remember which zip code is attached to your debit card, the easiest way to find it is by checking your banking information inside your bank's mobile app or online banking account. For example, if you use a bank like Chase, open the banking app and sign into your account. Once you are on the home screen, look for a section called Statements, Documents, or Account Information. Open your most recent bank statement for the checking account connected to your debit card. At the top of the statement, you will usually see your mailing or billing address. The zip code shown in that address is typically the same zip code connected to your debit card for online purchases and payment verification. Sometimes banks may display an extended zip code with extra numbers added after a dash. In most online payment forms, you usually only need to enter the first 5 digits of the zip code. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.